Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel today, and as you can see in front of you, there is a super huge box, and I'll be doing a video on this. So if you want to know what's inside, stay tuned and let's get to the revealing of the contents. Yep, there you go. What's inside? It's properly wrapped up, and just remove one of these. Nice airbags. Okay, so make sure there's nothing inside. Properly sealed, and yeah, yep. What are these? These are from the Majorette brand. I got this from Taiwan. Let's see what this have I purchased. There are more items coming soon, so they're on the way. And like I said before, postage is delayed due to the current pandemic that's happening, so everything that's coming in it's very slow, delayed. Even domestic, it takes a week to reach here my place, because I'm kind of bit out of town. So when you're based out of town, things take a while to reach. Okay, just give me a few more seconds, and yeah, I will fully reveal to you the things that I've bought, and you can look at it. So this is my first long video after a long time. Yeah, so guys, hope you are enjoying it. So let's see. So the first one is definitely, you guys can see, it is the let me just adjust this so you guys can get a better view, bigger view. Alright, check it out. It is the Majorette Cefiro. These are the special ones from the Drifter Christy Lewis. This one is with the red rims. This is with the black rims, and this one is with the white rim. Okay, and oh god, there's not much, I'm not sure, but there you go. Hope you guys can see it in a bigger picture. Really sorry about that. Alright, and yeah, sorry, there you go. So this one is the black rims, opening hood. Okay, it's from Taiwan, guys, so yeah, I'll just put it back here. And this one is with the white rims, pretty common here. Let me just put it at the back here, and this one is with the red rims. So not the only different, I believe, is the sport rims, I guess, where the black one is more sought after compared to the red and white rims. Okay, and these are pretty hyped up models from Majorette. Next, I have the normal premium edition, the Cefiro 831 white. Again, comes with the opening hood. Leave it here. Next is the black one. Check it out. Looks nice. Sort of the model as well. Alright, the black color. And the silver or gray, whichever color you want to put it. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. And also the red one. So I heard the red one is a bit hard to find with the black hood. I got myself the complete Cefiro. I heard it's pretty hard to find, and some of it is going for you know, slightly more higher than the retail. And last but not least, to complete my how do you wanna call this, Brabus Mercedes AMG 63. I got this one as well. This is to complete my collection, and I just heard there's gonna be a new blue one, so I hope to get my hands on that as well. So here you go. This is what I got from Majorette. I hope it's I don't know. I have no words to say. The Cefiro at the back is complete, and also the Brabus for now. Brabus B63 is also complete for now. That's all for now, guys. So stay tuned. More videos coming soon. Till then, peace.